Hey Louise, this is Holden Dress. We spoke on the phone earlier and you said I could shoot you over this quick video. In this video I just basically want to go over a few things that I think if you did yourself you could actually start seeing some more traffic to your business, getting found easier in the search results online. I'm also going to kind of take a look at how much traffic you are getting to your website currently versus that of your top competitors in the area for some of your top services. And we're going to see how much traffic you guys are both getting and a few ways for you to start collecting some of that traffic for yourself. And a lot of times the only hesitation I see that business owners have to hiring someone for this sort of thing is they just don't really know who the experts are and who they're not. And that's why I like to create this short video, because it provides something to you guys that you can do yourself and start seeing some results. And it's kind of turned around and resulted in a lot of business owners asking me for help. So let's go ahead and jump right in. I've got your website pulled up right here. It's a nice looking website. I noticed that a few of the pages are kind of exactly the same. When it comes to Google optimization, the first thing Google really looks at is content. They don't want to see any duplicate content, and they also want to see at least 1,500 words of content on your home page just for optimization. I could say here that you maybe have 200 words on your home page, so it's fallen short significantly of those 1,500 that Google really likes, right? In addition to the amount of content that you have, Google wants you to also include specific keywords. Keywords are basically anything someone searches for in the search bar to find you. So landscaping in Modesto, your other services, let's say weed removal, stump grinding, tree removal, things like that. Any of the services you offer, Google wants to match what people are searching for, exactly those words, to what's in your content. So by adding those specific keywords in your content, Google can do that. You also want to make sure you're picking keywords that are what we call buyer intent. So when someone searches for a keyword that's like landscaping cost or landscaper cost, that's not necessarily a buyer intent keyword. These people are still doing their research. They're not ready to reach out to a contractor right away. An example of a buyer intent keyword for, let's say, tree service would be emergency tree removal, right? If someone is having an emergency, they're ready to reach out to a contractor today and hire them for their services. So keep that in mind when you're adding in those keywords. You can see some keywords here that Google kind of recommends. There's some at the bottom of the page as well. These are things that people are actually searching. So over here, this is called the local map pack. This is basically where 70% of people will actually click on for any given search term. So you really want to make sure your business is up here. There's only 3 spots, but it's the first thing that pops up in the search results. And sometimes there's a few ads up here, but it's right in your face, so everybody clicks on this thing. People can see exactly where you are in relation to their home, how close you are, your reviews, everything. If you don't have a Google My Business yet, this is a free tool. This thing is pretty awesome, and I recommend it to most people. The way that you get ranked up here in the top 3 is by getting your name, address, and phone number into as many directories as possible. These are things like Facebook, Yellow Pages, Yelp, Angie's List. Anywhere online you can get your name, address, and phone number is considered a directory. The key is consistency across all of them. You know, if your business hours show different on your Facebook page than they do your website, then Google will deduct you some points and authority for that, and you won't get ranked up here in this area. So make sure when you're building those directories you keep that in mind. The remaining 30% of people will go and click on this first page. Not many people make it past the first page, so if you want your website to be found, you really got to be up here. To get on the first page, what you need to do is basically get what we call backlinks. Backlinks are links from other websites to your website, and the more of these links that you have, the better. But with that being said, not all websites links are created equal. There's a score that's attributed to them based on, how much traffic their website gets and the authority and the relevancy of that content. So if you go get a link from a website that has nothing to do with landscaping or tree service or any of the services you offer, Google will recognize that and they'll actually deduct you some authority points. This is a tool called SEMRush. It's probably one of the more powerful tools in my industry to see how much traffic is going to someone's business and why. And I have your website up here compared to this Grover Landscaping, who is the top competitor in your area. They're the first one that pops up in the search results for landscaping in Modesto. And you can see here that this is how much traffic you get a month. You get about 1 person to your website organically. And then over here, this Grover Landscape, they get about 620 people to their website monthly. Last month they got 693. Um, and they have 412 keywords that they're ranking for, that people are searching for, that Google recognizes on their website, versus you have 5. And then this over here is the real reason why they're getting so much more traffic, is the amount of backlinks that they have. So this is the amount of websites they have linking to their website, 106 versus your 20. They have 473 links coming from those 106 websites, but that's kind of irrelevant. The important number is the amount of websites. You can only, if you even had 5 or 10 links coming from the same website, that only transfers power once. So really they only have 106 backlinks. But you can see for all these reasons why they're collecting 620 people to their website versus you're only collecting about 1. And if you were able to steal even a fraction of that traffic away from them, I think that you'd be doing a lot better and really getting some more customers to your business, which could really put some more money in your pocket. So I hope this was helpful, and like I said, if you'd like to chat some more, please reach out. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the video. Whether you're interested or not, just a little feedback would be great. If you're not opposed to it, you can respond to me by email or by giving me a call. My information is listed at the bottom of this email. But thanks for taking the time to check it out, and I will talk to you later.